No mai, kia ora. My name is Kate.
And more Aotearoa Winton School, I'm Lorelei. Welcome to NEWS News for our upper the 14th of October.
Hi Viz West. Kia ora to students wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
And a reminder, this term you must wear your sun hats at playtimes and lunchtimes. Anyone outside without a hat goes under the shade.
And a quick kia ora to those students returning sports gear to the trolleys at the end of lunchtime and interval. Ka pai koutou.
Magazine team, you have a lunchtime meeting in the group room with Mr. T.
Library news, open today and Friday for returns, browsing and issues.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is horui,
which is te reo for wash, as in me horai koe e hoa. You should wash, mate.
Yeah, no water in the tank at home for about a week now.
Phewie. Touch news. Listen carefully. All year 1, 2, 3 and 4 students playing touch.
You have a meeting in the library with Mr. Chapman at 10:30. That's right after the news.
Birthday news. Only one at Winton School today.
Richie McClure is turning?
No. Justin Hindle is hitting the big 1-3.
Right on, Justin. Party hard.
Happy birthday, bro.
Okay, that's all for today. From everyone here, the NEWS team, ka kite pupu.
Stay sharp and haere rā, Winton School.